Hi there. This video's next week's a very aggressive, unstable thunderstorm weather forecast. UK 25. Like to be open, sun's up, the right side's green. The date today is the 11th of May, Sunday morning, guys. 25. The place you're in today with next week's weather forecast. We have to see temperatures today with the west coast of South America, east and central and west Pacific region, North Pacific Ocean, upper lower sea temperatures today, which is North Atlantic upper lower sea temperatures today, west coast of Africa, lower sea temperatures into today, and the Gulf of Mexico upper lower sea temperatures today. Okay, guys. Wow, fascinating. Looks like we're going towards end zone neutral across the eastern Pacific region. Western part's going to slightly weak La Nina. This is interesting, guys. So just could be a more active hurricane season across the Atlantic Ocean this year than I thought it'd be across the hurricane season this summer of June onwards until November this year potentially. So we might have. This is my forecast for hurricane season across the Atlantic Ocean. We'll have 3 major hurricanes in the Atlantic Ocean, 5 moderate hurricanes across the Atlantic Ocean, especially in the Gulf of Mexico. And we'll have at least, I think, 12 tropical storms across the Atlantic. And the Pacific Ocean, we should have more hurricanes, more major hurricanes maybe off the west coast of South America, and more typhoons across the western Pacific Ocean towards Hong Kong and towards China, Japan, potentially around the Philippines. This is my forecast for hurricanes across the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean. We'll see what happens, guys, this year. It's very hot across the North Sea right now, around the UK. You can see that, guys. It's interesting, fascinating. And this is the GFS 12 tip more for the future forecast across the UK. So lots of high pressure over the UK. High pressure stuff goes on across the UK. Lots of dry weather across the UK. There might be thunderstorms in the next few days. I can't rule out the isolated thunderstorm across South East and Southern England regions. There is a yellow warning out from the Met Office. Just come out in the last few minutes. I'm not joking. It will stay quite dry across the UK. There will be unsettled weather at times, thunderstorms. But wet weather comes in towards the end officially of May. But the South East and Southern England regions probably won't get too much rain, potentially at the end of May. It might do. This weather forecast change usual. Can't guarantee that low pressure. This is forecasting that far here with the control GFS on today. And this is the forecast for the upper air temperature. You can see it's going to be warmer in the south and you name it cooler in the north for the Bank Holiday weekend. This is long-range forecast and health warnings to change. And this is the upper air temperature as well for locally today. Red line is the 30-year average upper air temperature. The white line is where the temperature is going above the average temperature of 30 Celsius mark. It's going to stay quite warm up until the 25th of May. And it should be like, for example, 24 Celsius, 25 Celsius, something like end of June and July temperatures, which is unusual because locally it's sunny. And it's about some rainfall spikes there. So those are thunderstorms from the to date, 11th of May onto the 15th, 16th of May. And it stays dry and it gets unsettled again in the future. And this might be heavy rainstorms, or this might be heavy thundery showers, or thunderstorms, or hailstone showers from May showers. So it's forecast to change that far ahead, not guaranteed. This is the weather forecast for Woking Town today. Yep, you can see there's a yellow warning out for thunderstorms today across Woking Town. They just issued the last few minutes. I forecast thunderstorms before they did as usual in my forecast. Look at my sheets a few days ago, no joke. It's staying quite warm next week. It might get a heat spike of 30 Celsius next week, or 25 Celsius. I can't rule it out that sunshine. Depends on the wind direction. If it goes southeasterly, not easterly, then it could well get hot and very hot compared to weather coming from Europe. And then you can see it's unsettled in the future that far ahead. But the rain forecast that far ahead is uncertain, unreliable, and uncertain. The forecast was going to locally today. And this is the thunderstorm threat. There was a lot of thunderstorms down here across the English Channel around here earlier this morning. I'm not joking, but that's now cleared away, which is fascinating. There were a lot of heavy rain showers down here at the moment, especially across Cornwall. You can see here where it is. It's just clearing right there. So it's definitely been very wet down in Cornwall and Devon this morning. Lots of heavy thundery showers down there. There might be more thunderstorms and showers today across South East. Some reasons forecast that change as usual. We saw earlier. This is America's weather forecast right now. It's like 6 to 8 hours behind. It's about 2 a.m. in the morning in America right now. It's always heavy thunderstorms and thundery showers. It's coming towards the state of Georgia and Carolina, north and south. Going to get some very heavy rain for the next 3 or 4 days next week. They give a low-lying ground around there. Prepare for flooding, guys. If you live in that part of America, I'm not joking. It's going to be pretty unsettled. And this is the thunderstorms across that part of America right now. You can see it's coming towards the Panhandle of Florida on its way right now for tomorrow morning. It's quite unsettled weather for over here, this part of America, for the next few days. So take care. And then next Thursday, the 15th of May, around the Great Lakes, around here, the thunderstorms. There might be a convection for some tornadoes, supercell wall clouds. Keep an eye on that on Thursday, 15th of May. This forecast has changed as usual. You live in America right now, and this is the Arctic oscillation where that's been positive. And you've got high pressure in the UK, and you've got low pressure over Greenland and Scandinavia. But the Arctic oscillation is, the North Atlantic oscillation is the Arctic oscillation. This is the North Atlantic oscillation. It's slightly netted more. So they're both in disagreement. So it's very unsettled next week. Very unsettled, very uncertain for the future. This is really well forecast on the weather element in the multi-universe. These subscribe to my channel on Sign Gems. I'm on radio station shows, Mark and Sign on Saturday, once a month. And this is my friend John and Juice on a Sunday, 9 to 12 p.m. live. And this is my friend James on Tuesday, afternoon 1 to 3 p.m. on the Surrey Hills Radio Show for Tuesday. And this is my friend, you name it, Mark and Jimbo on Serial Hills Radio every Friday, 3 to 5 p.m. Welcome to the recorded show, welcome to the live show. It's Squash on San James, from the Watson, it's Squash on San James,